Hello guys, I use my phone Doogee S40 Lite. This version 2GB RAM memory and 16GB internal memory. Start unpacking. In completion we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay, that's all. And now talk about device. We have shock resist body. On the back side double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side 5.5-inch display. On this side smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. This combined slot. On the right side power key and warm keys. Downside micro USB port. Upside headphones jack. Turn on device. Display IPS. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6580. This CPU test results. And Mali 400 MP2 this GPU. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay, close this. And run demanding game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Game load. Works good, without lags and glitches. This medium graphic level. And game works good. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.